Hey guys, welcome to another day in a moving vlog. Moving vlog. So today I'm just gonna pack, I'm gonna unpack again. So I'm just gonna do the cups, the plates, the spoons and everything. So I know I'm gonna finish some of the things in here because I didn't get to finish, but I'm gonna try and do it again today. So yeah guys, let's get into it. So for my spoons and forks and knives, I'm gonna put them in this. I had it from my other place, so I'm just gonna clean it and then just wipe it basically, and then I'm gonna pack. Okay. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. So this is all the cutlery that I'm going to be packing. So it's a mixture of baking stuff and then, you know, just the normal things. So I'm just going to pack them differently. I'm going to pack them into the different drawers here and see if we're going to have more space for other things. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna keep my spoons because I tend to use these more than anything else. So I had to put them on the top drawer. Then also these and knives and everything. And then these, I also use them. So yeah. And then I hardly bake, but then when I do, it'll be easier for me to reach for it. So yeah, that's it. Oh no, actually, back to this one. I still have some straws. So I've got my straws here. I'm just going to put them in there. So these are all my straws that I have. So I just actually, no, I'm gonna put this straw in here. And then we're gonna do this. And then, then I'm gonna put the knives. Okay. Gonna put this straw in here. Then I'm gonna do this. Exactly something like this. You see? So that's what I did. Oh, and I also have this. I got it from Mr. Price Home. Like when you're cooking, you just put it on the side. Like this way you put your spoons and everything. You let them rest over here. So I'm just gonna put it in here. My friend got me this for the herbs. She knows that I love cooking, so she got me this. So I'm gonna put it into one of the drawers as well. I just want to remove this. Yeah, there we go. Actually, let here. And then I got this. I'm not sure where I got them from. I'm not sure. I'm making where did I get them? I just don't remember where I got them. I think I got them at Checkers. Yeah, no, I got these at Checkers. Got them at Checkers. So I'm going to be making a lot of ice creams and stuff, considering that it's summer. So you're gonna see those on my cooking channel. So just make sure you subscribe here. Just put them in here. Yeah, that's it. So now we're gonna move on to the plates, the cups and stuff. So now I'm just gonna unbox and pick my cups. See? So just gonna put them here. Okay, so we're gonna switch it up a bit because I want to add the wine glasses. So now we're going to add the mugs. And then I've got this. I love these mugs. I just got one of each. And then this one. And then this one. So I decided to change it up a bit. Then the black ones will just stay there. Okay, so now it's looking like this. I added some bowls there, and then my oven dishes. So yeah, they're just gonna be here. And then the plates that I usually use are these ones. And yeah, that's it for that part. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're just gonna do more unpacking and unboxing of some items that I got. So I've been meaning to buy new pots and I finally got it. And so excited. So I got this pot and I'm going to unbox them with you guys. So it's this Bennett Red Royal Strainer set. It's a 14-piece non-stick induction cookware pot set or whatever we call it. So I'm just gonna, yeah, you can see how they look like, right? So that's the bigger one, then this, then this, then this, then the two suspens, and then this. But I'm not gonna need this. I'm probably gonna give them to my mom. But the pots, I'm definitely giving them. So yeah. So there's this. So they were telling me everything about it. The pots are really cool, by the way. So isn't you see there's holes and stuff like that? I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there we go. You don't have to, like, let's say you're making rice or your spaghetti or whatever, isn't you have to drain the water and stuff? You don't have to go do like that thing of draining stuff like that. You just do that. So here there's an opening like on both sides, if you can see. I don't know what we call them. But then yeah, you put it like that and then you just pull the lid up a bit. Not all the way. I don't know how to explain that. But then yeah, and then like you can easily drain the water without spilling any of the food. So that's a good thing. So yeah, I got this. And this is the smallest one. Yeah. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. I will pick it. So this is like the biggest pot. Oh no, is it? No, it's not. It's not the biggest pot. It's second to, yeah. So I think probably this is the 24 centimeter pot, and then this should be the lid. Guys, can you see how cute this is? I like it. I love it actually. Okay, this is another for another one. And this is the biggest one. This one is so huge. Like so huge. So there's a bigger one and a smaller one. Actually, let me check something. No, the wrong lead. Yeah, this one. I want to see if the. Okay, no, it's the wrong lead again. Then this is pot number 3, I think. And then it goes with this. Then the biggest pot of them all. Okay, guys, I want to try. It's still kind of bent, okay? That sucks. Because I thought maybe the leads will also work on the pan, but they don't, which is a bummer. And then it's fine. And then this is the biggest pot. Can you see? It's so huge. I'm excited about my pots, guys, and I really love them. Then there's those things that I was telling you about. Here, they're 4 of them. That I don't think I'll keep. I'll probably give them to my mom. But yeah, this. So I'm going to put them for me soon. So this, and the 2 parts. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited about my pots. I'm just going to look Let me show you. And can you see the strainer part, which I think is cool. But yeah, guys, I love my pots. I really, really do. So I'm just gonna put this away and I'm gonna show you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been okay, I'm not gonna say it, but yeah, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time clicking onto my video, please make sure you subscribe, and yeah, you also share my video, and you also comment and like. Yeah, guys, so I ordered some things on Takealot the other day. I mean, I got them, so I'm just gonna show them. Don't mind the noise because I'm doing some laundry, but yeah, let's get into it. So I got those 2 packages. I'm sorry you can see. Okay, let me take it down a bit so that you can see. But yeah, so these are the first 2 packages. Let me show you the others because they're not really big deal. Okay, so these are the other 2. They're just what's it called? Sleeping bags, yeah. So it's just 2 sleeping bags. They're for my mom and my brother. But yeah, that. And just these 2 are mine. So we're gonna open that together. I already know what it is. Yeah. So I've been seeing this on TikTok, and I decided I wanted to get it and try it out because okay, so I saw this on TikTok and also on Instagram. So people have been saying that this helps with like pigmentation, like under your arms and stuff like that. So yeah, I wanted to give it a try because yeah, I had like some, yeah, because my underarms are getting a bit dark, so I wanted to try it out and see if it's gonna work. That's why I bought it. And then this I saw this Pimo on, I forgot the name of the lady, but I saw that she got this. So she had bought it in a store, but then she said that it's cheap on Takealot, so I bought it on Takealot instead. But yeah, I wanted a new mop for my house. So yeah, let's just unbox it together and see what we have in here. Wait. Sorry guys, but a little chips. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay, so it comes with 2 of these. So I guess like when this gets old, yeah, when this gets old I can use this, or when this is wet then I can use this. I don't know, but I'm probably gonna keep one aside and then I'll just be using this one, and then when this one gets old then I'll replace it with this one. That's what I'm gonna do. And then this is the bucket, which is that. So it comes with this thing. Okay, I really don't know how this thing works, but I'm gonna figure it out. Then there's also this part and this I really don't know. Okay, I'll figure it out, don't worry. But yeah, that's it. Okay, I'll read over here. Oh, I can do all these things. I didn't know. It's actually cool. So I can clean my tiles, glass, walls, and also wood. Okay, it's the same thing as tiles, but yeah. That's interesting. Okay, I'm happy about that. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, that's my two things that I got from Takealot because I wasn't on mine. And then I just gone to the store. I was craving some biscuits, so I got this. And I got this because I wanted to do a recipe. I got this because I wanted to eat them, but I didn't. And my friend liked me. She said I should try this out. I did actually, and I ran out of the other one, so this is the second one. Really nice. I enjoy mine with plain yogurt. Like as soon as I come back from the gym, it's quick and easy, you know. Don't have to be cooking. I just take it, put it in a bowl, and then add some yogurt, and then good to go. So yeah, guys, that's it. So I just want to, I'm going to cook. So I'm just gonna show you, I'm gonna make some oxtail, so I'm gonna show you how I prep my veggies and stuff like that. I'm gonna come back and give you like the review of this thing. So I'm gonna do like some before pictures and some videos, and I'm also gonna come back and give you a review like after a week. Okay, I probably won't do it like weekly, but then I will take like, you know, I'll take content. No, it's not taking content. What is it called? I'll take like videos and pictures of the progress so that I see if it actually works, you know, before you also try it. Because you might try it and then you might come back to me and be like, hey, your thing don't work. So I'm gonna try it first and I'll let you know if it works. But yeah, that's it, guys. So let me get my ingredients ready. So I'm just cooking. So I watched a TikTok of a guy who was teaching how to cut an onion in a way that, you know, it doesn't make you cry and everything. So first you just peel that and then you wash this. So I'm just gonna quickly go wash it. Okay, so yeah, and then after washing it you cut it. So I'm going to show you how exactly was cutting it in a way that it doesn't make you cry at all. I've tried it, like this is my third time and it works, so you better try it out. Let me show you. So you do this. You cut that first, just like that, right? And then you do this. So I think on the onion, the thing, this, I don't know if it's a bulb or what, I don't know what to call it. I don't know what you call it. So please don't come for me in the comments for saying the wrong thing. Because don't do that, don't do it. But I think this is the thing that makes us cry when we cut onions. So the trick is to cut everything and not cut this part. Which works. I didn't know about it. If you knew about it, good for you, but I didn't. So ever since I came across the video, I've been doing it and it works for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish prepping all my veggies.